this out. No hands. Just got this new piece of tech, the GoDonut.
Now this donut is perfect for holding up your mobile devices, your phone, your tablet, your Kindle, whatever it is you use these days to record or watch videos.
I never thought I needed one, but I actually use it literally all the time.
Super durable. It's all one piece, high quality rubber. It's amazing how some of the simplest things end up becoming the most effective and useful tools.
You're gonna wanna get a GoDonut. I know you're gonna love it. I love mine.
The GoDonut is a universal stand. It holds phones, iPads, books, even actual donuts. Before I had the GoDonut, I could never find the right way to position my phone. I used everything I could think of, even actual donuts. And then one day, I had a friend tell me about the GoDonut, and that if I talked about it during a video, that he will give me some money. And now, I use it all the time. It comes in 9 available colors and works on most tablets and smartphones. Mira, if your device doesn't fit on here, then you need a new device.
Hey guys, Brittany here, and I gotta tell you about this awesome little GoDonut device. Now this donut is perfect for holding up your mobile devices, your phone, your tablet, your Kindle, whatever it is you use these days to record or watch videos online and when you're on the go. Personally, I'm a fitness vlogger, so I use mine to record videos constantly for my clients and my viewers. Now, this device has 3 slots, which is perfect because sometimes I want to record a video up and down, sometimes I want to record sideways, and this GoDonut allows me to choose based on what I'm recording. Now, excuse me, I used to use water bottles and other things while I was at the gym to record videos to prop my phone up, and it just got so old. The phone would fall, people would stare, I would get annoyed, and I'd just give up. But this GoDonut has really solved all those problems in one easy device. It comes in 9 different colors, which I liked, but as you can see, red is my favorite, so I did choose that one, but you could choose one for yourself. So, if you need something that allows you to easily watch videos on the go or to record them on your phone and gives you the confidence that they're not gonna fall over like mine used to, you're gonna wanna get a GoDonut. I know you're gonna love it. I love mine.
What's up guys, my name is Simon and I wanted to talk to you guys about GoDonut. I never thought I needed one, but I actually use it literally all the time. So you could use the GoDonut with a phone or tablet. Right? I could just type on it right here. It's very, very sturdy, doesn't even move. Super easy to use. You can just pick it up, place it in, and I love to use it for FaceTiming, especially now during the time of COVID. And I use it a lot when I work out, and it's just a great, great asset and tool for me, and I love it. So if you need something to put your phone on and want to stop propping your phone up on your household items and get it cracked, just like I did a few weeks ago, check out GoDonut.